Hi everyone, we got another fitness activity for you today. This game is called Crabby Golf. Here's what you're going to need to play this game. You're going to need 2 coat hangers, or a coat hanger for everybody who's playing. You're going to need a rolled up pair of socks for everybody that's playing. It's good to have different color socks to help keep track of whose is whose. You need a shoe box, both the lid and the bottom part of the box. And if you'll notice, on the bottom part of the box, we split it in 2. We have a 1 on one side, a 2 on the other, and a pair of dice. To set the game up, you're going to start with the lid in one part of your house. That's going to be our tee. That's what we hit the socks off of on the first hit. And then a little bit far away from your tee, you're going to set the other part of the box somewhere. Works best if it's against a wall, okay? And then you can put the dice next to the box against the wall because you're going to need those at the end of every hole. Here's how we play the game. This is my son Miles. He's going to play against me. We sit down next to the tee. We each take our golf ball and we take turns hitting. And we're trying to hit the ball and get it into the box over on the other side and see how many hits it takes us to get our sock into the box. So I'm going to take my hanger and I'm going to hit. Okay. And now Miles is going to go. We take turns going. Oh, very good. And then when we go to our ball, we have to crab walk to the ball. And again, we take turns hitting. Oh, sometimes that might happen. You can always put tape on the end of your hanger if you want to help to make sure it doesn't get stuck. Okay, I hit it. Now Miles is going to hit his. Good. And then we crab walk. That's 2 hits each. And now I hit mine again. Oh, I came close but didn't quite get it in. And then I move out of the way for Miles. Good. Go ahead, Miles. You can go first. Then we crab walk, making sure to keep your body off the ground and just crab walk with your hands and your feet. I'm going to get out of the way of Miles and let him go. And he's going to try to hit his sock into... Oh, he got it in. And he was right in the middle. So he was in between 1 or 2. And I'll tell you what that means. Miles, you can stay right over there. I'll tell you what that means in a minute. And he got his in 4 shots. This is my 4th shot here. Okay. And now I'm going to go again. Oh, and I got mine in. And it's on the number 1. So we're going to pick activities for number 1 and number 2. We've chosen mountain climbers for number 1. And a mountain climber looks like this. Hands on the ground. 1 foot forward, the other foot back. And then we just switch. And we go back and forth like that. For number 2, we're going to do Frankenstein walks, but in place. So we kick one leg, keeping our leg nice and straight. Kick the other leg, opposite hand, opposite foot. This is a great exercise for our hamstring flexibility. So those are our 2 exercises. So I got exercise 1. I'm going to roll the dice and see how many it is. I got 6, so I'm going to do 6 mountain climbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then Miles got in between the 2 numbers, so he can choose. What do you want to choose, Miles?
Frankenstein.
He's going to do the Frankenstein, so he's going to roll his dice. And he got 7, so he's going to do 7 Frankensteins. Face the camera. Just like that. Ooh, make sure you don't kick so hard that your feet slide out from under you and you fall. And then when you're done, the person with the lower score, which was Miles, is going to take the box and the dice and pick a new spot for our hole to end at. You can stay here with me. And then I'm going to take the tee from where we started our first round, and I'm going to bring it and set it up where we ended that round, and then we would play again. And we would keep going all the way through the house. How many different rooms can you play in? You can change the exercises that you're doing for each one. And we're working on that crab walk, keeping our body off the ground. It's a great exercise for our abdominal muscles and our upper body muscles. That mountain climber is also a great upper body exercise and abdominal exercise, so we can get a little fitness and have a little fun with some golf. If you have stairs in your house, you can go up and down the stairs, but walk up and down the stairs. Don't do the crab walk up and down the stairs. Hope you have fun with this, and we'll see you next time.